Swing in Seattle, solo jazz. We put a little routine together today to the Brooks Prumo Orchestra's version of Pass the Bounce. Let's walk through these good variants on kicks, kick steps, kickball changes, and more. We have these elements. So we have kick steps, which are kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, and kick, step. We have kick, ball change, touch, down, which on the right side looks like kick, ball change, touch, down. On the left side looks like kick, ball change, touch, down. We have our flashes open with our kicks, which go kick, touch, down. On the left side, that looks like kick, touch, down. We have our toe heels. Toe heels look like toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. We have also our slip, ball change, down. That looks going to the right. Slip, ball change, down. To the left, slot, ball change, down. Looks like slot, ball change, down. Those are the elements that we worked on today. Now with music.
Pass the bounce, keep everybody